Now I'm going to show you how to use your CleanTech 500EZ Automated Handwashing Station. To begin, let's take a minute to talk about how CleanTech works to remove more than 99.9% of harmful pathogens from hands with each 12-second wash. The hand wash cycle initiates with a brief pre-rinse. It then washes your hands with ultra-pure solution, followed lastly by a water-only rinse. During the cycle, a helix pattern of lightly pressurized water is created by the spinning cylinders, generating the surprisingly pleasant and necessary friction for dislodging and removing harmful pathogens. Like a gentle power wash for the hands. Washing your hands in a CleanTech station is easy. 1. First, place your hands in the center of the cylinders, palms down and fingers spread. 2. CleanTech is designed to deliver a completely touch-free hand wash to reduce cross-contamination risk. Do not touch the inside of the cylinders and do not rest your forearms on the station. 3. Leave your hands in for the full 12-second wash cycle. The countdown timer on the station will display 0 when the hand wash is complete. 4. Flick your fingers to remove excess water and dry your hands. Now, let's take a look at the station's display. As you can see, we have a solution light bar displaying the ultra-pure solution level. Next is the countdown timer. Once you start a hand wash cycle, the timer will count down from 12 seconds until your hand wash is complete. Finally is the cycle counter, which records the total number of hand washes. This is a great tool for tracking hygiene events and monitoring compliance. Thanks for watching. Visit our website for more helpful videos or to learn more about how we're redefining human hygiene to make the world a healthier and safer place.